Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ray in Virginia on the President Richard. Ray, get it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, did a little mods to it, really brought up the audio as well as the average power swing. Now, we'll let you know one thing some people don't know. You push in here and go to menu. There's your echo adjustments and so forth. You have got mic type. It's electric or dynamic, okay? So it's staying right here on the electric. If you run a dynamic mic, you'll need to change it to dynamic. If not, you won't have the audio you should have. So let me just go ahead and get right to it here. RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug, about 2 watts. I'll roll it all the way up. 10 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 25 bird. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Roll the carrier all the way down just in case you decide to run an amp. Show you swing there. Hello. Still doing 50 plus watts. All right, Ray, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy this beautiful radio. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.